Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, this video will solve this equation, and we have x squared plus 3x over x minus 3 squared equals 16. Okay, for the first step, you can write in for this x squared plus 3x squared over x minus 3 squared, okay, equal 16. Okay, for this I can crossing multiply, okay, for to get denominator. Okay, x squared times x minus 3 squared plus 3x squared over x minus 3 squared equal 16. Okay, for x minus 3 squared, you can write then x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 9x squared, okay, over x minus 3 squared equal 16. Okay, so can you multiple x squared times x squared? We have x power of 4 squared times minus x minus 6x cubed plus 9x squared plus 9x squared over x minus 3 squared. Okay, from this we have x power of 4 minus 6x cubed plus 18x squared over x minus 3 square equal 16. Okay, x to the power of 4 for x minus 6x cubed plus 18x squared, we can write then 6x squared times x minus 3, okay, over x minus 3 squared equal 16. And for this we can write an x power of 4 over x minus 3 squared minus 6x squared times x minus 3 over x minus 3 squared equals 16. Okay, for x power of 2, we can write an x squared over x minus 3 squared. And this we have x minus 3 times x minus 3 squared. You can cancel for power. Okay, so we have x power of 2 x squared x minus 3 is equal 16. Okay, so for this is in square x square over x minus 3 is square minus 6 x square over x minus 3 equal 16. Okay, so we have this x square over x minus 3. Okay, so you can let x square over x minus 3 equal a. Okay, okay, from this we have a square minus 6a square minus 6a equal 16. Okay, or we can write an a square minus 6a minus 16 equal 0. And we can get a factor from this. And the multiple equal minus 16 and sum minus 6. We can write minus a plus 2. Okay, and from this we have a minus a equals 0 and a plus 2 equals 0. So we have a equal a and a equal minus 2. Okay, a equal a and a equal x square over x minus 3. Okay, for a equal a is x square over x minus 3 equal a. Okay, from this we have x square equal a times x minus 3. X square equal x minus 24. Okay, x square minus x plus 24 equal 0. So to get a factor from this, we use a quadratic formula. Okay, x1 times 2 minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And for b we have minus a, so we can minus times minus equal plus. We can write an a plus minus b square x square equal 64 minus 4 times a equal 1 and for c equal 24. So 24 times 4 equal and is 6 over 2 times 1 equal 2. Okay, so we have a plus minus square root of minus 32 equal over 2. Okay, so from this we have imaginary number x1 equal a plus 32 imaginary over 2, and for x2, we have 8 minus 32 equal over 2. Okay, is for a equal 8, and the last one, a equal minus 2, a x squared over x minus 3 equal minus 2. X squared equal minus 2 times x minus 3. So we have x squared equal minus 2x plus 6. X squared equal x squared plus 2x minus 6 equal 0. Okay, you can use quadratic formula again. For x 3 and 4, minus b equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of b square equal 4 minus 4 times 1 times minus 6, so plus 24 over 2. Okay, it's equal minus 2 square root of 28 over 2. So from this we have for x 3 minus 2 plus square root of 28 over 2, and for x 4 we have minus 2 minus square root of 28 over 2. Okay, so this for the solution from this equation. X squared plus 3x over x minus 3 in bracket square equal 16. As well is this x1, 2, x3 and x4. Okay, so thank you for watching.